Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to show your WhatsApp profile picture only for selected contact person. So for this guys, you can try this method. So open your WhatsApp and go to your WhatsApp settings. In the WhatsApp settings, go to privacy and here you can get the option profile photo. Just tap on it and here you can get the new option my contact expected. So just you need to select the contact and select your contact from here. After this guys, just tap on right arrow mark from here. This is the new option now rolling on WhatsApp. So before this guys, you can get only three options: everyone, my contact and nobody. So now you can get one new option here, my contact expected. So this option is not showing on your WhatsApp. Now what you need to do, you need to update the WhatsApp. Go to Google Play Store and here you need to search WhatsApp. From here you can easily able to update the app. After updating, you can also get that feature. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.